Hi everyone, Artho here. It's really hot today. I wanted to do a video that would help everyone with knowing about addictions and how to quit properly. And I don't mean like when someone says, "Oh, I've quit," and then they end up back on it. I don't mean that kind of quitting. I mean actual quitting. Okay? Right. What people don't know is just saying, "Okay, I'm going to quit," and then stopping it is not quitting. There's more involved, especially with your body, because what has to happen for you to actually quit is your body has to know that you are quitting, and it takes a while for your body to know that you are quitting. Because if your body doesn't know and you just instantly go, right, I'm going to quit, and then you stop using whatever it is, your body doesn't know, which means the addiction that you had is still in your system because your body isn't rejecting it or removing it, and your body isn't helping you quit, which means you're going to go straight back to it again, right? So basically what you need to do is, and I'm talking about any type of addiction here, what you need to do is you need to want to quit, you need to quit, and you need your body to know that you need and want to quit and that it's bad for you. If your body doesn't know that it's bad for you, it's not going to help you quit. It's not going to go, okay, we've quit. It's going to keep it in for as long as it can because it thinks that it needs whatever you were addicted to, which means you're not actually quitting because your body hasn't let go of it. So whether it's smoking or anything else, let me use an example. If you haven't let your body know that you need and want to quit and that it's bad for you, your body is keeping it in. So whatever you had from cigarettes, like nicotine, that nicotine will not leave your system until your body knows to reject it and get rid of it. So for the people that are like, right, I'm just going to quit, and then they quit, and they don't really put much thought into it, they just want to quit, right? The body is holding it. And that is why when they feel like they've quit, they've not actually quit. And that's why they still want it and still crave it, because the body still got it and still wants it, right? So you have to, there's too much noise out here. So I'm going to go to the back and carry on what I was saying, because this is an important one. A lot of people struggle with addictions and really don't know how to quit, and I am going to teach you how to quit because it's needed. Okay? Right. Hope everyone will shut up out here. Right, basically, the best thing you can do to quit something, anything for that matter, and do you know what? It might even include relationships and feelings for people. I don't know, but we'll see. Okay. Whatever you want to quit, you need to use affirmations. You need to speak to yourself, speak to your body. I know it sounds weird, but you need to say often, I need to quit, I want to quit, this is bad for me. This is bad for my body. Okay? You need to do it often. You need to get your body to catch up to your information. Your body isn't going to catch up just from you thinking it. It's like, how do I put it? You have some information at the front of your mind that it comes out, like very quickly. It's right at the top of your head, right? Well, what you need to do is you need to get to the back of your mind, the part that isn't at the top of your head, the part that it takes you a while to remember, kind of thing. This is just an example. You need to get that part to know that you need to quit, you need or want to quit, and that it's bad for you. If it's only at the front of your mind, it's not at the back, which means you're not going to quit. So, fucking hell, nosy. Pardon my French. So, you need to use affirmations. You can actually find videos that bring out affirmations to quit and stuff like that. So listen to them repeatedly. You need to get it to your subconscious. It's no good at the front of your mind because it doesn't do anything. All it makes you do is quit and then go back to it, and then it's harder to quit the next time because your body has been craving it for so long, it wants more and more and more, right? So use affirmations, and it's not going to be a fast process. It really is not. It took me ages to quit smoking, and I mean really quit. I don't ever want another cig. That is how it works. I did it properly, which means I never will smoke again a cigarette, but I'm not off the e-cigs yet, and that is because of the nicotine. Nicotine is the strongest one, and it's the hardest one to quit. Okay, now this is what got me talking about it as well, because I lost my other e-cig, and I ended up having to buy this one because I was like, I want to quit the e-cig anyway, so I might as well swap to a different one that's got less in it. So, well, let's see. But my body knows that I want to quit and that I need to quit and that it's bad for me. So what my body is doing every day is rejecting it, and it's making me want it less and less and less. It's a progression. You have to wait until your body has played catch up so much that it just never wants it again. Okay? That it rejects it as soon as it's there. That's what you want to quit. If you do not let your body know fully, and you do not 100% want and need to quit, you won't. And people forcing others to quit is not going to help, because that isn't themselves wanting and needing to quit. That's someone else forcing them to want and need to quit, which isn't the same thing, which means it's not getting to the body. The body doesn't believe it's bad for them. The body is just going to keep using it, right? So trying to force someone to quit, not going to happen. You have to wait until the person wants and needs to quit themselves. Otherwise, they are never going to quit. They're just going to quit, and then they're going to go back on it, and then they quit, and then they go back on it. And each time, their addiction will get worse. Okay? And this is with anything. Obviously, with some addictions, you have to be careful when quitting. You can't just go cold turkey, because you can have seizures and stuff like that. That's mainly with alcohol, I think. But you have to be careful and never quit cold turkey with anything, because your body hasn't had chance to know that it's quitting, and your body hasn't had chance to understand and believe that it's bad for it and that it needs to let go of it. So you need to make it a long process. You need to cut down. You need to use these affirmations, and you need to get your body to the speed of, I want and need to quit and it's bad for me. Let it go. Your body needs to know. Otherwise, you are not going to do it. And that is the best way I can explain it. But yeah, be careful with some addictions. Make sure you read up on it before quitting, because some of them are really dangerous, and I mean life or death dangerous. And you can do it. Okay? You can do it. If you do it properly and you take your time and stop rushing it. I know it's hard, because obviously you just like all amped up because you've not had it in like however long you've had it for, and it's hard. It's a hard thing, but if your body knows, it will become much easier. Your body will make you not want it, like at all. You will just stop wanting it. That is how you know that you're ready to quit. Once your body doesn't want it anymore. If your body doesn't know and still wants it, you ain't going to quit. So get your body to not want it. Study. Research all the bad things. Research about all the health problems that you're going to get. Research about all the chemicals that are in it that you shouldn't have. And by the way, if you're a smoker, did you know arsenic is in cigarettes? Yeah. And do you know that there's like billions of chemicals, and the list is so long that you can't even reach the bottom of the page? Do this, do all these different things, and you will quit. Okay? With anything, just make sure you do it properly on each individual addiction, and not every addiction is the same. So be careful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and toodaloo, mofos.